Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Daily English TV. My name is John, and today I want to talk to you about something that can truly change the direction of your life. Something so simple, yet incredibly powerful. Your morning routine. Now, before you think, oh, John is going to talk about waking up early, drinking water, or doing exercise, let me stop you right there. Because today is different. Today, I want to share with you how the first hour of your morning can completely transform your English, your confidence, your productivity, and most importantly, your future. This is not just a lesson, it is a message I wish someone had told me when I was younger. Have you ever noticed how you feel when you oversleep? Your day feels rushed, stressful, messy. But when you wake up early with purpose, the day feels clear and powerful. This is not an accident. Science tells us that the first hour of your day controls your mindset, your focus, and your emotional energy for the next 12 hours. But there's something even more important. The morning is when your brain learns the fastest. That means if you use your morning for English, your improvement will be 3 times faster than studying at night. When I finally understood this, my life and my English changed forever. When I was younger, I had almost nothing. No money, no access to good schools, no internet, no teachers. But I had something more valuable than all of that. Time. Especially morning time. Everyone around me was sleeping, but I would wake up early, before sunrise. That one decision, just waking up early, became the foundation of everything I have today. I didn't have podcasts, YouTube, or apps, so I used to ride my bicycle for almost 40 minutes to a hotel where foreign tourists stayed. Why? Because I wanted someone, anyone, to speak English with me. Some days it was cold. Some days it was raining. Some days my friends laughed at me. But every morning I showed up. One sentence, one conversation, one new word, and slowly, like a seed growing into a tree, my English improved. Not because I was smart, not because I was lucky, but because I respected my mornings. Most English learners think improving English is about expensive courses, complicated grammar, big words, or talent. But the truth is simple. English grows when your habits grow. Your habits grow when your mornings grow. It doesn't matter where you live. It doesn't matter how poor or busy or tired you are. Your morning is your equal opportunity. Everyone gets the same sunrise. What you choose to do with it, that's what sets you apart. Let me give you the most powerful morning routine that thousands of learners have used to transform their English quickly and naturally. You don't need money, you don't need teachers, you don't need perfect grammar, you just need 20 to 40 minutes each morning. Let's begin. 1. Start your morning with English input. 10 minutes. The moment you wake up, before you touch your phone, before social media, before noise, listen to something in English. Why? because the morning brain absorbs faster than any other time. Listen to a slow English podcast, a story, motivational English speech, or daily English TV videos. Don't try to understand everything. Just let your brain receive the language. This simple act will train your mind to think in English naturally. 2. Speak out loud, 5 to 7 minutes. Most learners don't speak because they're afraid of being judged. But in the morning, nobody's watching, nobody's listening. It's just you and your voice. So speak. Even if you make mistakes, even if it feels strange, say sentences like, "Today I will learn something new. I am confident. English is becoming easier for me. I can communicate clearly." Or repeat the audio you listen to. This is called shadowing, and it is the fastest way to improve fluency. Your morning voice becomes your confidence voice. 3. Write a short English journal, 5 minutes. Writing forces your brain to think. You can write about your plans, your feelings, your goals, what you learned, what you want. Don't worry about grammar. Just write freely. This trains your brain to think in English, which is the real key to fluency. 4. Review old vocabulary. 5 minutes. Learning is not memorizing. Learning is remembering. Spend 5 minutes reviewing 5 old words, not 50 words, just 5. Use them in sentences. Say them out loud. Write them once. This method builds long-term memory. 5. One small English goal for the day. 1 minute. End your morning routine by setting one small goal. Today, I will learn 3 new phrases. Today, I will watch 1 English video. Today, I will practice speaking for 5 minutes. A small goal creates big confidence. Because most people wake up and immediately waste their brain's best energy. They open their phone, they check social media, they compare their life with others, they feel stressed. Their mind becomes weak before the day even begins. But when you start your day with English, you are telling your brain, "I am improving. I am growing. I am becoming better." This confidence carries you through the whole day. Remember this. Small morning actions create big future results. English learned in the morning stays in your mind longer. Discipline in the morning becomes success in life. If you dedicate 30 minutes every morning to English, you will improve more in 3 months than most learners improve in 3 years. Not because you studied harder, but because you studied smarter. My friends, your future does not depend on talent. It depends on your daily choices, especially how you start your mornings. Your morning is your foundation. Protect it, respect it, use it. Every day is a new chance. Every sunrise is a new beginning. Every morning is an opportunity to become the best version of yourself. Start tomorrow. Start today. Start now. And remember, the power to transform your English and your life is already in your hands. Thank you so much for watching. If this video inspired you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Daily English TV. Let's grow together, one morning at a time.